Press. Kick. Push. Oh, right. You're going in reverse. Do it again. Do it again. Press. Whoa. Hold on. All right. Whoa. Uh-oh. Hello, Kylie. Yes?
You check that to me.
What's your tongue? Alright, let's get Kylie some shoes. Kylie, go get your shoes.
Oh, that's the good.
Kylie.
What is that? Did the Easter Bunny leave you something in a big basket?
Yes!
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Movies!
He must have came in last night, huh?
Yes!
What'd he leave you?
He gave me movies.
Oh, you got my shoes.
Kylie, look!
Thank you.
Kylie, look! We got movies!
Thank you, Kylie.
Kylie, look, we got new movies!
Kylie, look. Look what you got.
Look what all of us got. Look!
Look. Thank you. Kylie, did you get your basket? Did you find any eggs?
Let me see. No.
Let's see. Is there any more? Kylie, get your basket. Here, baby. Get your basket.
That's so
There you go.
cool.
Let's go see if... Put an egg down for Kylie to get one. Let's see if she's got one. All right.
And look.
Oh. Kylie, there's one. Let her get that yellow one. Kylie, look right there. Show her, Sky. Look at that egg. Go put that in your basket, Kylie. All right. You got any more?
Look at that shiny blue one.
Wow. They're hanging up? Kylie, look right here. Right there. Look at that. Wow. Put that in your basket. All right. Let's get up. Get your basket. Let's see what's outside. You ready?
Might get some eggs.
Now, Sky, there's a lot out there. Don't get them all. You gotta let your sister get some, okay?
Yeah.
All right.
And my mom said I had to teach Kylie how to get eggs really fast because she gets eggs really slowly.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Here goes.
Good work. You set? Go find the eggs.
Go find the eggs, Kylie. Go look.
Go, 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 baby.
Go find the eggs.
Kylie, you get the
Go.
purple one, Kylie.
Go get the purple one.
Go get the eggs. Wow, look at all those eggs.
Here's basket. Go get more.
Is there more eggs? Yay!
Go get more.
Wow, Sky, what is that one? Is that a super egg?
Yes, the butterfly.
Wow, that must have been his biggest egg.
Yeah.
Look at Kylie going to town.
My. Woo-wee.
What you got, Sky? You got some more?
No, she says.
Kylie, you want this pancake? More. Pancake for you.
More.
Kylie, here. There's a black egg.
Wow, look at all those.
Kylie, come over here. You got some over there. Come on, let's go over here. You go down and I come here. Kylie.
I think you're running out of... Wow, look at that one. Is there more? You might need a bigger basket.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Every time you ask that, is it Kylie? There's no.
You need a bigger basket?
Kylie, more.
More.
Kylie.
Kylie,
Look.
Coca-Cola.
Oh, go ahead and get that one then. Sky's gonna get it. Go ahead and get yours.
I'm getting it.
Thank you.
Kylie, Kylie, wait up.
Yay! Kylie, can I have your eggs?
Kylie, Kylie, let's come over here.
Can I have your eggs?
Kylie, come over here.
She's like Yoda. Hey, Yoda.
Another one.
Look at Mama. Cheese. Oh. There you go. You ready? Say cheese. Oh. You got any eggs, Kylie? No? You gonna share with Daddy? No? You share with me? Oh, that's
Kylie.
nice. Kylie, can I have one of your eggs?
Hey, you say yes. Say yes, Dada.
Kylie, can I have one of your eggs?
Yeah, you have 100 eggs, Kylie.
Wow.
Oh, can I have... Oh, thank you.
Oh,
Can you give Sky one of your eggs?
Let's go
I
inside.
got 100.
Oh, look, she's giving you one.
Sky.
Sky, take it. She just wants to give you one. Thank you. What do we got? What do we got?
Oh!
Yeah!
Hang on. Let me...
Another one.
Another one. Kylie, you ready for bed? You ready for nap time? Go dance, Kylie. Dance. Dance. There you go. Dance. 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 Whoa. Dance. 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 Woo! Dance. Dance. Dance.